Welcome back, YouTube. Alright, we're gonna be looking at USD CAD. We're gonna get a good directional bias using our top-down analysis format, looking at the monthly, the weekly, the daily, and the H4 to pretty much see what structure has done over the past week to kind of get a good idea of where we stand for the week. All right, let's get to the charts. All right. We got the monthly time frame. USD CAD. Let's see. All right. So it is March 5th. UCAD looks pretty bullish to me. It's in a range. I talked about that previously in our past videos, but for whatever reason, it struggles to break past this zone 2. So 1.39042. It's 2023 now, and the last time it touched that zone was October of last year. It rejected off of it, but it could, you never know, it could break it this year, since last month closed out bullish with this candle right here. Closed out bullish. Alright, so I would definitely leave the monthly as bullish, but you know, I put bullish in parentheses, but it's obviously still in a range. And it's in a range until the price breaks this this horizontal line right here, or this price at 1.39042. And a break, just to be clear, is this would be considered a break. 2 candles together. Make it blue, just so we're clear. A break is 2 strong candles, one either on that horizontal line or zone, and the next one protruding past it, like nice, you know what I mean? Like, it can't be a wick like that. That's a test. You know, it has to be 2 strong, nice candles protruding past it, and then once you go to the lower time frames, you'll notice that price is, you know, is making higher highs and higher lows. That's what you want to see. But yeah, so definitely I would leave monthly as a range, but still bullish. Let's go to the weekly. The weekly, we still got this, I wouldn't call it a symmetrical triangle. It's a triangle. I would consider it a flagpole. That's what I would consider it. Some people would say it would be different, but in my eyes, this is a continuation pattern. If you want to call it a triangle, a wedge, I don't know. Some people see it differently, but I see it as a triangle, and I see it as a continuation pattern based off the fact that this area right here was broken by these candles, and that's why I have this rectangle right here. But yeah, so definitely still bullish. Now what we're waiting for is for price to come out and break this triangle, which is it could be tricky, you know, because, and that's why I haven't traded USD CAD in like really a couple of weeks, because you just don't want to get stuck in this consolidation. You know, it could come back down and hit all the way until this peak right here. But weekly, definitely bullish. Let's go to the daily and see what's going on. I think the daily looks pretty good. Let's see. No, the daily look good. The daily look really good. I would consider it bullish still. So what we want to see is for price to keep going up. But see this doji right here? Price potentially could keep going down. Well, it could come back down to test newfound support to pop back up. And that's kind of, I feel like, what we're going for. But you kind of got to trade what you see, not what you think, right? That's what we do. So daily bullish. Let's go to the H4 because we need more details. We don't know what's going on. I would be patient. I would consider this to be a choke, but when I'm looking at this daily time frame, you know, this is a doji. A doji like this is pretty much indecision. You know, I would even negate this, but no, you definitely. I'm gonna put bearish for the H4 time frame because I would consider this a change of character, or you know, I normally say break a structure. I say choke because people know it as a choke, but I would consider this as a break of support. These two candles right here. So right there, I'm gonna make it red. Yep. So 1, 2. That's clean to me. And for this, for my top-down analysis videos, I normally don't go on the H1, but if you look at the H1, it should complement this H4 structure. So we should see lower highs and lower lows right here. Let's see. Yep, and it looks good to me. So how do we identify a downtrend, right? A downtrend is a series of lower highs and lower lows. Until price breaks this relative high right here. So right here, or right here, it's still in a downtrend because this low was broken. So until price breaks this high, which is, this is pretty much the same high. So price break this high, it's still considered to be in a downtrend. So yeah, and it could potentially do that, but we gotta be patient. But all right, that's it for USD CAD. I'll see y'all on the next top-down analysis. Maybe, definitely UJ. We gotta do UJ. UJ and maybe gold or all USD. We'll see. All right, y'all.